Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalam O Alikum. Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about Mathematics SSC-II. Now we will discuss about new syllabus PTB Book Foundation Mathematics SSC-II Unit number 1. In Unit number 1, Quadratic Equation. Today we will discuss about SLO base according to FBISC requirement, example and exercise 1.1. In this video we will discuss question number 1, part 1 to 3. Today in part 1, let's start the lesson. First of all, we will discuss about what is meant by quadratic equation. In quadratic equation, first of all, an equation which contains the square of unknown quantity but no high power is called a quadratic equation or second degree equation. So we can say that in unknown variable x, y or any a, b, c, we have high power but not to contain the second degree. Then we have square of any digit. We will discuss that the quadratic equation or second degree equation. So an equation which contains the square of unknown variable but no high power is called a quadratic equation or second degree equation. In second degree equation, in one variable x of form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 for all a, b, c are real number. In this equation, we can say that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called a second degree equation or also called the quadratic equation. But a is not equal to 0. If first coefficient of x square is equal to 0, then equation become x to the power 1 variable. That is called linear equation. So for a second degree equation, first condition is that a is not equal to 0 and also a, b and c are real number. Then this form is called the quadratic equation or general quadratic equation or second degree equation. Now, for example, x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0 is called a general quadratic equation or standard form of quadratic equation or also called a second degree equation. If in this equation b is equal to 0, then we have if b is equal to 0 in quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then equation is equal to ax square plus c is called a pure quadratic equation. So if b is equal to 0, the quadratic equation change into pure quadratic equation, and pure quadratic equation is ax square plus c is equal to 0. Now we will start the today lesson exercise 1.1 question number 1. In question number 1, write the quadratic equation in standard form and point out the quadratic equation or pure quadratic equation. First of all, question number 1, first part, x plus 7 into x minus 7 is equal to minus 7. So in the given equation, first of all, we multiply the both value. Then we multiply this. This equation is x square minus 3x plus 7x minus 21 is equal to minus 7. Because x multiplied by x, x square, x multiplied by minus 3 minus 3x plus 7 multiplied by x 7x and plus minus minus 7 threes are 21 is equal to minus 7. Now we have rearranged the equation, then x square minus 3x plus 7x minus 21 plus 7 is equal to 0. Now we have solved, then x square plus 4x minus 14 is equal to 0 because x square plus 7x minus 3x, so plus 4x minus 14 is equal to 0. This is called a quadratic equation or general quadratic equation and also called a second degree equation. Now we will discuss question number 1, second part. X square plus 4 divided by 3 minus x upon 7 is equal to 1. So first of all, in this form of fraction equation. Now we change into linear form, then multiplying both sides by LCM 21 because 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. So multiplying both sides by 21. Then we have 21 into x square plus 4 divided by 3 minus 21 into x square 21 into x upon 7 is equal to 21 multiplied by 1. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21 and 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. So then 7 multiplied by x square 7x square, 7 fours are 21 minus 3 ones are 3x, 21 multiplied by 1 21. Then equation in the form of 7x square plus 28 minus 3x is equal to 21. Here we arrange the values, then we have 7x square minus 3x plus 21 minus 20 plus 28 minus 21 is equal to 0. Now we have write the solution 7x square minus 3x plus 21 minus 21, so answer is plus 7 is equal to 0. Then final answer is 7x square minus 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. This is called a quadratic equation, also called a general quadratic equation and second degree equation. Now let's start the question number 1 part 3. In part 3, question number 1, x upon x plus 1 plus x plus 1 upon x is equal to 6 in the form of friction form. So first of all change the equation. Then we get a LCM of this equation. So LCM of this equation x into x plus 1. Now we have multiplying x into x plus 1 on both sides. So multiplying both sides by x into x plus 1 with the LCM of this friction equation. So now we have multiplying x into x plus 1 into x upon x plus 1 plus x plus 1 upon x is equal to x into x plus 1 multiplied by 6. So here x plus 1 cancel out by x plus 1, then answer is x square and x multiplied by x is answer is x plus 1 whole square. So this form of this equation x into x plus 1 when this value multiply by this plus x cancel out by x, then x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to 6x into x plus 1. Now we have multiplying the values, then x multiplied by x, x square, plus x multiplied by x, x square, plus x plus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 is equal to 6x multiplied by x is 6x square plus 6x multiplied by 1 is 6x. Now we have rearranged the values with the variables. Then we have x square plus x plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 6x square plus 6x. Then we get the answer of this values. We get the solution of this equation. X square plus x square is 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 6x square plus 6. Now we rearrange and in the form of quadratic equation, then we have 6x square plus 6x. This value move on other side, all sign will be changed. Then 6x square plus 6x minus 2x square minus 2x minus 1. Now we solve this equation. 6x square minus 2x square is equal to 4x square. Similarly, 6x minus 2x is plus 4x and minus 1. So the solution of this equation 4x square plus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the form of quadratic equation. Or for more videos, subscribe our channel. Best of luck.